So this is my roommate's room. Basically what's going on is that it's the end of freshman year, so we're moving out. I have not done this, which I should have done a long time ago, but she has. So this is basically all that she has left of her room. I kind of put my boxes and like stuff in here because I wanted to make sure my room looked at least somewhat presentable for all you guys. So yeah, this is my room. I also need a key, like my key to open it, but it's already open just because I was too lazy to close it again. But this is my room. Here's an overview. And yeah, so basically, I live in a walk-through double in John Jay, and my room size is 127 square feet. And so here, what I've done is that used to be on top of my desk, but it's supposed to be like a bookshelf. But I was like, no. I'm just gonna put my books in this basket, because that's where books belong, obviously. And so I took that off of my desk and put it here, and I use it as a place to store my perfumes, makeup brushes, like bracelets and earrings, like hoop earrings, contacts, other random things. And this is where I have like my nail stuff and allergy medication and stuff like that. And then down here in this one, I have my belts and like a rolling lint roller. I have one pair of shoes, which are these, but then I also have another pair of shoes I'm wearing now. That's why there's a space there. And then in this little basket here, I keep all of my hats and some sunglasses. And then down there, I just have more shoes and 2 lightsabers that my friend got me for Christmas, and they work and they're awesome. And then on this wall, I have just a little something that they gave us at a party. Playbill for Phantom of the Opera, highly recommend. My friend made this JJ10 themed, John J10 themed crossword puzzle, and so I have it hanging or like taped to my wall, I guess. I just have a bunch of Polaroids. This is my favorite comic book character of all time, Legion, aka David Haller. Awesome guy, awesome comic book series. I should recommend it to everyone. Another playbill, but like, it's not really a playbill, but this is like all they gave us when I saw it in London. From Matilda, just have more pictures and Polaroids and everything here, and I love this wall. I love how it turned out. Here I just have where I hang my like necklaces, just because I like putting them on the wall. And then here I just have a painting that I painted in 5th grade, and it's something I don't really know what it says anymore. It was a long time ago, I guess. Here this is my laundry basket, and then over here I have my wall. Oh, and these lights do turn on. Actually, I'll turn them on now. What I do is I just go back here, stick this into the socket, and then lights are on. Yay! So yeah, I got the 2 New Yorker posters at like a fair on Broadway around Columbia, and then in the middle I also got at the same fair. And yeah, I love Rick and Morty. Free Rick all the way. Get the deal. This is my bed. The duvet cover, I think, is from Ralph Lauren. I don't really know specifics. My mom bought it for me, was like, put this on your bed, and I said, okay. This is from the Nintendo store. Lola. Cute thing. I'm blanking on its name. I think it's Yoshi. My friend got me this red octopus from Japan, and this is a Pluto from Mickey Mouse. And I got that in Disneyland Paris. Underneath my bed, I have my dresser. Oh, and these are just my pajamas. I just put them on top of my bed because there's no really where else I can put them. And here I keep my underwear and my socks. Cool, great. Here I keep t-shirts. I'm packing away so I don't have as many, but trust me, in the middle of the year this was like full to the brim and like it could barely close. And I just have summery clothes. And then down here I have all my shorts, and this is like my like going out tops, or like just things that can't be folded because they're too small to be considered actual shirts anyway. And then this rug here is from IKEA, and it's really nice. It's really soft and it's great, and all my friends like sitting on it. When my friend came over, actually, she like slept on my rug, and it was really nice. I got this stool because my bed is raised to the highest possible setting, and so I need this stool to get on it. This is from IKEA as well. This is my ukulele. I play with it often, actually. I know quite a few songs. I'm really proud of them, and I'm trying to learn more. This is my desk. Yeah, basically I just love Star Wars. So I have some Star Wars posters here. Then I have a calendar because I need to know when everything is due, or else I will forget it and not do it. And this entire month of May was really hectic because this was basically final season. So I had exam 3 for chem, which is our last midterm. Then I had a writing assignment. Then I had stats project due. Then I had lit hem final and chemistry lab final on the same day. And then I had a pro-sci final, Frontiers of Science, in one of the core classes that are required for the core at Columbia. That on a Sunday at 2. Like, come on, really? A final on Sunday? Got me really mad. And then I had a chem lecture final the day after and a stats final the day after that. And yeah, really fun. But my motivation was that Governor's Ball is coming up soon, and, you know, summer in general is soon as well. On my desk I just have this mirror. Hello! I have this mirror from IKEA. I brought it from home, took it here, and I'm going to leave it here because my room at home is being completely refurbished and redone. So this is just going to stay here, so I'm going to have to pack this. I'll get to that maybe after I'm done filming this. I really need to pack. This is my speaker there. Great speaker. It's a UE Wonder Boom. Fantastic. It's small, portable. You can drop it, not worry about it breaking. It's fantastic. Just have my Apple Watch chilling here. That's where I put my garbage. I like it not being seen in the room because, I mean, it's kind of disgusting. It's like all your trash just being dumped there. It's not nice. I also keep my it's all about presentation. So I keep my what's it called? Outlet extender thing. I'm blanking on the names of things. It's behind my mirror so that no one can see it. I just have a little alarm clock. Don't actually know where I got this from, but yes, as you can see, it is 6:20. I got this from somewhere. It's just a remote for my fan. My computer's here. I love stickers. I put stickers on it. Flowers that I got from such a long time. These are from Valentine's Day that I haven't thrown away, and I really should, but I don't want to. Just have all my stationery, binder clips in one, rings in another, but these are like my gold rings. Then I have stud earrings and rubber bands and like hair ties and what do you call them? The other thing that's in there is in there. And then it has silver rings in the other one. I got all 3 of these from Urban Outfitters when they sell them. I really don't think they actually sell these anymore. And then this one I got from a store in London, as well as this one I got from a store in London, and they're just paper clips in that one. And then I have a little like dustbin thing that I keep all my dry erase markers. I think it's so cute. I got this from London. It's really nice. Then I have a little sign that says Long Live the King, which is from not Rick and Morty, oh my gosh, from Sherlock. Moriarty says this is Sherlock, but this is in the one with Benedict Cumberbatch. So yeah, well, that's important. I have a candle, my beats, and some slime just there. And the drawers really aren't that interesting. I just keep random stuff in each one, like it really is not interesting in there. And then I keep my paper recyclable things and my plastics recyclable things in there. Just a bag on the floor. This is my, well, behind it is actually it's like a net for the window. And then here I have my sleeping bag just in case someone wants to sleep over. And that was my heater when it was really cold, because John Jay unfortunately lacks heating and hot water in the coldest of months. So yeah, but I do think still it's the best place for freshmen to live. They could work on that one. I got this chair. I think my mom got it for me from Target, as well as the pillow, but I'm not really sure. And then I just got this Android from my friend pillow. That's my school book bag that I carry, and then this was just one that I was carrying today. It's really cute. I put like stickers and stuff, pins all over it. This is my Hamlet poster because I love Shakespeare, and I saw Hamlet in London when Andrew Scott, who is amazing, also plays Moriarty in Sherlock, was Hamlet in it, and it was amazing. Oh, it was so good. I loved it, and so that's literally all I have on this wall. It's a shrine to this particular poster. Here I just keep all of my books, as I said previously. Everything for literature humanities, which is another core class for Columbia, as well as just books that I read when I have the time to, which is not often, but I do try, and that's why I keep them in there. And then here I just keep a bunch of random food that I want to consume at the given time, and mugs, because I love mugs. Mugs are great. And then I have a bowl that I used to have cereal from, and that stopped very quickly once I ran out of milk. Yeah. And then here is my closet. Fun. This is me. Fantastic, as always. And here, I have clothes that I have to pack. As I've said, it's fine. I have my shower caddy that I take to the bathroom because, I mean, I need to take the things I need to wash myself with to the bathroom. So yeah. I have my soap for clothes, washing them. A bag full of all my bags. Boots that I didn't want to put over in like the display of shoes. I have more shoes actually here, but these are mostly sandals. And then I have jackets that go to dresses, that go to an overall pair, that goes to dresses, that goes to pinafore, that goes to more dresses, that go to overalls, that go to more dresses, that goes to Columbia merch. That's it. And then on top, I just have iron, so nail polish remover, stuff for my iron, stuff for cleaning in the back, hair straightener, stuff for my hair, my hair dryer, and then just miscellaneous extra stuff that I need that I put in that grave in, and then my computer case, and then just some more stuff just up there. Oh, actually, almost forgot to show you guys my view. So this is the view I get from my room. That's Low Steps over there. Right now they have tents because it's during it's graduation time. That's why they have benches and bleachers. But yeah, so across from me is Hamilton. That's where I have my literature humanities class. Very convenient, as it takes probably 2 minutes to get from here to the building in terms of walking. Actually, to the whole journey to class is probably like at least 5 minutes. I think I made it to class in 5 minutes before. And then over here, that's another dorm building for freshmen. It's called Hartley, and this is Wallach over there. Yeah, so that's the view. That's the view. It's really nice. It's really pretty. I love waking up to it and like looking out the window. And it's really sad that everything's gonna change, I guess, next year because I won't be living here. I'll be living in another place. Don't really know yet because I'm on the sophomore wait list in terms of actually knowing my room. But that's what's happening. So yeah, that was my room. I really hope you enjoyed looking at it. I hope you got maybe some inspiration for what you want to do if you come to Columbia. And yeah, so I hope this is helpful. Yeah, okay. Bye.
Bad bitch in LA, tell me I should make the trip. Shorty bad as hell, yeah, with them college lips. Uber every fucking where, pre-rolls in my VIP. Canada, John. Yeah, I think that bitch from the 6.